So I grew up on a farm, and when you're on a farm, you got to be self-driven. I learned that really, really young. When you set out to do something, you got to set the plan and you got to go after it. Each day has a unique problem to solve, and that's what I love about it. That's what brings me to work every single day, and it keeps you going. This plant operates 24/7. We grind approximately 100,000 bushels a day. You find corn all over the place, from food to fuel. Farmers are the lifeblood of what we do here. They bring our raw material in every single day. That's our community and that's our partner. It's a heart and the soul, really, of Iowa in the Midwest. And we're really proud to be a part of that.